Yeah, about to take you through this project that I just completed. It's spare guns. I just finished making this tray piece now. Just sprayed it. I'm about to couple it fully now. This particular guns are inverted rollers, while this one is a normal front loader. So I want to assemble this two now because that one is almost done. I just only need to run the rope on the reel. So I want to take you out through the process, how to running this one, and stay with me as I carry through. So these are the bands and the ropes that I'll be using to couple this project out through. I've actually hooked the lines in already, just to facilitate the process, and that's for the other one. And, all right. Like this. Since these bands are actually very small, what I want to do is, because this one's I want to use them by the sides, this will be for the pretensioning of the main line itself of the cooking to the spare. So what I want to do in the real sense, because if you check out these other bands, they're actually bigger and they're actually very tough too. For me to use this particular one for the pretension, it's going to make this gun a lot difficult to load. So what I'm about doing now is I want to use this one, but I have tried one on it prior to the time I sprayed it. I tried one on it, it looks a little lighter, so I just want it to be a bit tough than what it used to be, or that what it feels. So I want to double it, two on that side and two on this side for the pretension. Then if I got it that way now, I can make this one to be seen that it will actually give it the strength that I need. So far it's very impressive based on the power, strength that it put up from the first shots that I've had with it. It actually went hundreds of yards. So I just want to stretch it a little bit more to see if I can get enough from it. So I'm starting now. So what I'll be doing is to send this line. I'm to send this line across for it to pop out this other way. Then get it anchored all the way here. So got this now. Got this two now. Basically, I've never seen anyone done this online. I'm just doing this because this bands are actually little, so I choose to do it that way. I'm about to start the assembly fully now. So now I have tied a knot on this point, actually because there's a hole here up to this other side. What this will do is to prevent the rope from running in the sides. When the whenever you're setting the gun. So that's why I did that. So that to keep it in place, prevent it from running either way. So this is it. From here now, hang on the pulleys and the bands and everything. So this side is for the other line, this side is for the second. So we got it here. So what I usually like to do is this particular one of retention it will assist of locking up there. The lines will be varying up. So I'll retention this one down there, lock them up. So retention this. The lines are pretty sturdy now, just the way exactly the way I want it. This is it. I will try to load it again. So far, this is it. It's set. I know I'm not supposed to do this indoors, but the trigger has some sort of safety to it, so that's why I could risk it this way. So this is it. This is fully loaded. So say this thing is a beast. Before painting it, I tried it outside and it was doing really good. So you can see it. This thing is a beast. You can fire hundreds upon hundreds of yards, Tried it at full range on football field, and then I was very impressed with the speed, the power of reach. This thing formed or delivered. So far this is it. This is the inverted roller. I made this one custom built. You can feel the tension on the rope. So this is it. It's fully loaded. So I'm done with the assembly of this. I'll be going for these ones now to assemble them properly. And so this is it now. I've freed it up. It's no longer loaded. Let's see. Alright. So this is it. So let me take you all through everything I've just done. Because I realized since I'm using just a single camera, my phone camera here, you couldn't get everything in detail based on what I was doing. Now so far, I have mounted this GoPro. At the back of it is actually removable. You tuck it up a little, just push it from these edges and pull it off. It's only the sitting that will be left there. You can actually take it off. Let's say you're actually not going to work for some time. But basically this is it. I did all of this off camera, so I said I should bring it up so that you see how far. And the good thing about this also is this. You can actually choose to set it to any angle based on this particular accessories that I used to install the GoPro. So now, what I was doing basically before, let me bring it closer to the camera. Top this knot here. It's gonna punch him out. It's out already. So to be left with the sitting there. And I'm gonna fix it the same way. Just tuck him in and give it a little push. Yeah. That's it. This is it for proper capturing. Every activity is capturing all the way from the line release here all the way this where the view is taken off from. So anything from this range all in front, it's definitely going to capture every activity. Very good. If you look at this gun, you're going to see very beautiful design of this camera they give it. Actually, the design pattern I gave to the wood here, you can see it here too. This one is short, this one is long, while this other one is longer. That's the design that I gave to it. And actually fold it that way when you're not using it. So basically this is the way it looks like. Yeah, lastly, this is the hanger I just mounted for the torch. This is it. It's a simple hanger, not that difficult, simple, you know. Just roll it this way to unlock it to free it off. So it's just from a plastic pipe I used to form this hanger. It's locked down already with 2 screws. You can see there, one the other side. So if you want to use with the touch, which is very necessary for almost every dive, you know, you just slide it in this way. It's pretty simple. You slide it in, it sits. But if you leave it this way, it's not going to be 100% secured. So you have to lock them down by simply twisting it, and it locks down. So this now, no matter the pushing or pulling or anyhow you try to do it, it's not going to bring it out. So this is very interesting too, you know, coupled with other features in this gun. And take a look at these other ones too. I'm done with them. I've equally mounted everything too. I mounted the touch hanger in front there, and that's into the rope hanger. Then on this one, this is the touch hanger here on this one, you know, and there's the rope hanger. Finally, on this walk, you can see on the rail hanger here for the rope guide, I've been able to mount a protector for it. Same way in all of them. So it's beautiful, right? So, thanks for watching. Thanks for staying with me.